Hello and good morning. Welcome to this morning's sun salutation challenge. It is day 22. So we have not long to go. We've been working for since the start of January. We've been making really great progress. So it's Friday. We've got the disco LED lights just to get us in the mood for the weekend. So we'll start in a few moments. But remembering that we start at the front of the mat, and we can get started in, I'd say, about a minute's time or so. So we use this challenge just to get us up in the morning to get a sense of movement, coordination of the movement with our breathing, a little bit of exercise at the start of the day. Okay. So, starting at the front of the mat, toes touching, heels slightly further apart. Inhaling, reaching the hands high, palms come together. Exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, so it's reverse swan dive, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, look forward. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat, back of the mat even, knees come to the floor, modified plank pose, lower chaturanga, chest to floor, inhaling, cobra pose, hands are resting on the mat, exhale lower, chest to the floor, push through the palms of the hands, come to a child's pose, and then to a downward dog. So that's just to get us nice and warmed up. Inhale, bend the knees, exhale, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, flat back, look forward, straighten the legs, hamstrings lengthen. Maybe the back is 90 degrees to your legs. Exhale, fold. And then inhaling, reverse swallow dive, hands come up. Palms together, number one down, hands to heart center, speeding it up ever so slightly, inhaling, reaching the hands high, exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees, inhaling, flat back, look forward, exhaling, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat, knees can come to the floor, or if you've got straight legs, exhale, lower chaturanga, hovering off the mat, elbows 90 degrees. Inhale, come forward now to upward dog or cobra pose. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, step forward with your right foot. Come to a high lunge. So their feet are hips width apart. The left leg is straight, left heel pushing towards the floor. Feeling stretch, left quad. Torso lengthens. Either look forward or between the hands. Exhaling now, hands to mat. And take a step back, downward dog. Inhale, step forward now with your left foot, high lunge. Same again, feet hips width apart. To give yourself stability, the chest is facing towards the front and reaching upwards. Look forwards or between the hands. Push right heel back. So we're going to be doing variations of high lunge. Exhaling, hands to mat. And take a step back into downward dog. Inhaling, come forward. Lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees, exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms come together, and exhale, forward fold, coming straight into number 3, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, step or lightly jumping to the back of the mat, downward dog. Inhale, come forward to a plank pose, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhale, step forward, right foot, high lunge as we were. This time, left hand reaches forward, right hand reaches back, chest opens towards right side. Inhaling, hands to center. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhale, step forward now with your left foot. We're moving nice and briskly through this. Hands come high. Again, so the lower body doesn't change. Right hand reaches forward, left hand reaches back. Chest opens towards left side. Good. Inhaling, hands come high. And exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step. Lightly jump to the front of the mat, look forward. And exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms together. 2 more to go. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, step. Lightly jump to the back of the mat, plank pose, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Hips come high, heels low to the mat. Inhaling, step forward now with your right foot, high lunge. This time, right hand reaches forward, left hand reaches back. So we're opening the chest now to left side. Hands are shoulder height. Inhaling, reaching the hands high. Exhaling, hands to mat. Step back, downward dog. Inhaling, left foot forward, hands high. Exhaling, left hand reaches forward, right hand back. And inhaling, reaching hands high. Exhaling, hands to mat. Step back, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Look forward. And chest to thighs, head to knees. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms come together. 1 more time. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. So we're going through a nice brisk pace here today. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, step, lightly jump to the back of the mat. Plank pose, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. And exhaling, downward dog. Inhale, step forward with your right foot. High lunge again. Feeling nice and stable now. Hands come high. Exhale, forward fold. Chest comes down towards your front thigh, your right thigh. Hands reach forward. Look between the hands or towards your right toes. Left heel pushes towards the mat. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhale, step forward with your left foot now. Hands high. Exhaling, chest towards left thigh. Hands reach forward. Right leg straight. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step. Lightly jumping to the front of the mat, look forward. And exhale, fold. Inhaling, pivoting from the hips. Raise the hands high. Palms together. To heart center. Slowly closing the eyes. Releasing the hands down to the sides, fluttering the eyes open. Thank you for joining today's sun salutation challenge. Lots of high lunges there, but bringing variations into our twisting through the torso and opening up the chest. Have a wonderful day and look forward to seeing you on another day for the next sun salutation challenge.